The OnePlus 15 has been getting a lot of attention lately, but not all of it has been positive. Even though the phone comes with powerful hardware and top-tier performance, many users have started reporting overheating issues. This has raised concerns for people who are thinking about buying the device. There's no doubt the OnePlus 15 is fast, but it seems to struggle when pushed to its limits for long periods. At the center of the phone is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This is one of the most advanced chips available right now. In Geekbench 6 tests, the OnePlus 15 scored 3493 in single-core performance, which is just slightly behind the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Its multi-core score of 106092 actually beats high-end phones like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. These numbers clearly show that the phone has a lot of power. But like all powerful chips, this one generates heat when running demanding apps or games. To handle this heat, OnePlus included a large vapor chamber and a new cooling technology called Glacier Supercritical Aerogel. On paper, these features should keep the phone cool even during heavy use. But online reports tell a different story. Some users say their OnePlus 15 heats up too much during tasks like gaming, 3D rendering, or extended camera use. Social media posts and forum discussions show that overheating is a real issue for certain units. One example came from a user on an X named Hardik, who shared that his phone became extremely hot during the 3D Mark Extreme Stress test. This test pushes the GPU to its absolute maximum and is known to reveal thermal issues. Other users have reported temperatures reaching up to 52.7 degrees C when performing intensive tasks. While those numbers sound scary, it's important to note that results can vary depending on what apps are running, how long the phone has been used, and what settings are enabled. However, not everyone is experiencing these problems. Tests on several retail units did not show any overheating or thermal throttling. That means the issue may not affect every device. It could be limited to certain units, or it might be caused by early software tuning that still needs improvement. Many phones receive updates after launch that improve heat management, so a software fix is a strong possibility. This isn't the first time OnePlus has had to deal with heating complaints, but the company has a good record of resolving issues quickly with software updates. For example, the OnePlus 13 series had a massive 6000 mAh battery yet still delivered strong and consistent performance once early bugs were fixed. Since the OnePlus 15 is one of the first phones to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, it makes sense that there may be a few early problems that need to be ironed out. The main concern for users is how overheating might affect long-term performance. If a phone gets too hot too often, the battery can wear out faster, and in rare cases, other components might be damaged. But most people won't push the phone to extreme levels. For everyday tasks like browsing, using social media, watching videos, or taking photos, the phone will likely perform completely fine without reaching dangerous temperatures. If you're thinking about buying the OnePlus 15, you should consider both the strengths and the concerns. The phone offers top-class performance and impressive speed, but if you are someone who plays heavy games for hours or uses demanding apps, you might notice more heat. Still, many units seem to be running perfectly normal. Keeping the phone updated will also help, since manufacturers often release performance and thermal improvements in early updates. Community feedback has been very mixed. In a recent poll, around 26% of users said their phone gets too hot during long sessions. Another 26% said their device stays cool even during heavy usage. The remaining users haven't tested their phones enough to know. This shows that the overheating problem isn't universal. It seems to depend on the specific unit and how the phone is being used. OnePlus is expected to release updates that will better manage heat and performance. The company has done this before and it has usually worked. Until then, users should avoid running extremely demanding apps for long periods and keep an eye on temperature during gaming or stress testing. In the end, the OnePlus 15 is still a powerful flagship device. It has an excellent processor, fast performance, and advanced cooling technology. Even though some users have experienced overheating, many others have not. The issue is likely related to software or specific units rather than a problem with the entire model. With future updates, the OnePlus 15 should become more stable. For now, it remains a solid choice for anyone who wants strong performance, but it's worth keeping the heating reports in mind, especially if you plan to use the phone for very demanding tasks.